All right, everybody. Here is the final version of the 212cc Predator-powered motorized bike, or you want to call it a motorbike? It's a motorbike. Um, Here's how it came out. Pretty nice looking, I think. And today we're going to do the first start and first ride. So ride with me, everybody. This will be a blast. So before we get into that, let me show you a couple of things I did to the front forks to make them stronger, and a few modifications to the rear swing arm to make that work. So one of the things I had to do here is reinforce the forks across here to make sure that they didn't fold under pressure. So I welded in some gussets to this area, and here's how they look. Take a look at this so that the structure of the fork's a lot stronger. You know, remember, this is a cheap bike, so it's not designed for the weight and power and the speed that this thing is going to be going. So some of the things I also had to do is, cut into the swing arm in order to have the sprocket fit and the chain go through. So I had to reinforce the frame here too. I needed something back there to hold the wheel in place. So I created that. That's for the tensioner. And so let's take a look at what I did back here in order to keep the wheel in place so that it doesn't get pulled out. And besides that, I had to cut the frame, the swing arm, to let the chain go through. So here's reinforcements here to jog it over to the left. So here's what I made in order to hold the wheel in place. So under torque, the wheel's not getting pulled. It's just a regular bike frame. So to keep the wheel from being pulled, these little tensioners will hold the wheel in place, and you can also put tension on a chain using these. There you go. You see what I'm saying? So here's how the bike came out. A quick look. Me putting it together. A montage of a quick assembly. Here's how the parts go together. And this is what I did after I painted the frame and went with red and black. So here we are to the first start and first ride. So you guys are doing it with me. So come on, let's do this thing. Pull it to start. First ride. And that's how it came out. So thanks. If you liked the video, thumbs up, please. And why don't you follow me? Share the video, please. And there'll be more updates and other projects. Thanks again.